Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I wash my hair. So I'll be showing you my full wash day routine. I always wash my hair in twist unless I'm too tired. But washing my hair in twist really helps me to get to every section of my scalp, okay? So that's why I wash my hair in twist. And it also saves me time and energy too. So I'm going to start by just adding some water in my hair, and then I'm going to go in and add my shampoo. For today's washing, I'll be using my Organics Babassu conditioning shampoo. I really love this shampoo, especially when I feel like I have a lot of product build up in my hair. I go in with this shampoo or their exfoliating shampoo. So I always go with 2 washes. The first wash is basically just getting the scalp, making sure I get every section of my scalp, and then going into the ends. So I always start from the scalp and then I go into the ends of my hair, as you can see in the video. Then I'm going to go ahead and then rinse off after the first wash and go in with my second and final wash. With my second and final wash, I always make sure to really get deep. So the second wash is when I really go in with my scalp, go in with my ends, and this is where most times actually, my twist will come off. But that's okay. I always twist back afterwards, okay? So if your twist unravel, that's totally fine. My hair does that all the time and it's totally fine. So I do this for a few minutes. I would say about 2 to 3 minutes. I wash. And also always make sure to wash your scalp, your edges, sorry. The reason why I say this is because normally we put a lot of oils on our edges when we are styling our hair, or we will put edge control, but you want to make sure you get all of that out too during your wash day. So make sure to wash your edges. I'm gonna go in and use my Mael Babassu and Mint Deep Condition. I love this deep conditioner, seriously. It has mint in it, so whenever I put it in my scalp, the feeling is so amazing. It just makes me feel fresh. Like my hair just feels really good. My scalp especially, it feels really good. I would recommend this deep conditioner for everyone. Okay, so I start by putting the deep conditioner on my scalp, and then when I'm done with my scalp, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the deep conditioner to the ends of my hair, because you want to make sure that you deep condition every section of your hair. When I'm done adding the deep conditioner, I go in to massage my scalp. Now, this is a very important step when you're washing your hair, especially when you're deep conditioning. You want to make sure you massage your scalp so that the product can actually get deeper into your scalp and also improve blood flow in your scalp. Because the reason is, when you improve blood flow in your scalp, your hair grows better, okay? I always also make sure massage your edges. It's super important, okay? And then I always go in with an old plastic bag, which I have loads of. I allow the deep conditioner to sit on my hair for about 30 to 45 minutes. And then I first rinse it out with a little warm water. And then when I'm done rinsing it out, warm water, I rinse it out with cold water, okay? Because I don't want to be standing under the cold shower for a long time. So I start with a little warm water and then seal in with cold water. So this is how my hair looks after washing and deep conditioning. You can see my twists, some of my twists have unraveled, which is completely fine. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this deep tutorial showing how I wash my hair. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.